In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a live stream from your computer, from your desktop. This is especially useful if you are a musician, an artist, or a producer. You might want to live stream a gig or do like a live online gig. You might want to do like a live kind of tutorial or a live feedback session. Anything live that you want to do that isn't limited to just your smartphone and like the microphone on it. You might want to broadcast a screen. You might want to broadcast some extra camera gear that you've got. With this method, you can basically broadcast any of your gear. Okay, so there's a couple of things that you need in order to do this. You need to first decide what kind of video you want to stream. So you could, for example, just want to stream your desktop video, which you can do, or you might want to stream from an external video source. The first thing you'll need to do is download OBS. Okay, so OBS is Open Broadcaster Software. It's a free app for Windows, Mac, and Linux. You download that, and that's the first step in order to get this set up. Okay, so I'm just going to move over to OBS now. This is what it looks like, and you can see me here on the screen. Now, down here in the sources section, these are the video and audio sources that I want to use in my stream. So as you can see here, I've got FaceTime Cam, which refers to the camera on my laptop, which is up there somewhere. You can also capture the display. So if you want to stream the display of your computer, I could go ahead and, for example, click on that viewer there next to FaceTime just to hide it and then turn that one on. And this is what the display looks like when you're just looking at OBS. It's not showing me anything at the moment because it's just the OBS, but it would otherwise show you your actual screen. I'll show you what that looks like actually. So I'm just going to bring this down a bit. Okay, and this is what it will look like if I was streaming my desktop. So right now my desktop is literally OBS, so that's why I'm getting this kind of window effect. But when I flip over to another window, like my Logic Pro screen or whatever, that's what will be streaming on the screen. I'm going to hide that and then switch my FaceTime mic back on. And then what I'm going to show you next is how you're going to connect this to your YouTube channel or your Facebook page or what have you. So there's only a couple of things that you need. And then you go to the group or the page or the channel that you want to stream on. Okay, so in this example, I want to stream into my Facebook group, but it could be a Facebook gamer page, it could be your YouTube channel, it could be a Twitch channel as well. I'm just going to demonstrate this on here, and the process is roughly going to be the same, okay, because it uses the same method. So I'm going to go here to create a post, and then I click live video. Now, here is where I basically connect OBS to my Facebook group. We have a server URL, and we have a stream key, okay, so this is what links the two up. So I'm first going to copy the server URL. So that's copied now to the clipboard. I'm going to go to OBS. I'm going to go to settings, stream, and I use custom. And I'm just going to paste the server URL there. And then I'm going to go back to Facebook, copy the stream key. And then I paste the stream key in there, click OK. And that's theoretically that's set up now. And what I'm going to do next is I'm simply going to click start streaming. Okay, so now it's streaming. It's telling me here that it's streaming. We've got no dropped frames, which is good. CPU percentage is relatively normal and everything looks relatively fine. So I'm going to go to the back end now of Facebook and you can see it's streaming. The good thing is I'm not live right now. I can still like format my post. I can put a title of the live stream. But right now I'm just kind of streaming into the back end. This isn't publicly live yet. But when I'm ready, I just hit go live. Okay. So the process is pretty simple. You download OBS, you go to your Facebook page or your YouTube channel or your Twitch channel, and you find where you enter the server URL and the stream key, and you pop that into the settings of OBS, and then you can start streaming. It's as simple as that. Okay, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.